Leave it alone!
I'm sorry, I was just putting it back.
Well, sorry I got so defensive about that. I just wanted to protect it.
Yeah, no, sorry, no harm done. I apologize. I saw it blew out. I just wanted to put it back where it belongs.
Thank you. It is really important to me.
Must be a story behind all that, no?
Yeah. There is a story. It's kind of long, but I'll share it with you if you're interested.
I've got time.
Okay. I actually live like right down this road.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
Okay. Here. Follow me. Here we are. Welcome.
Wow. You have a beautiful home.
Thank you. If you want to grab a seat?
Please, thank you. Appreciate it.
Yeah, this is my humble little place. It's kind of big for one person, but it wasn't always just me here. That's kind of the story, actually. Yeah. I moved into this house with my late girlfriend.
Mm-hmm.
I lost her over a year ago, and so it's just me now.
I'm sorry. That's terrible.
Yeah. You know, she was such a wonderful person and was always rescuing injured animals that she'd find in the forest back behind the house. She really loved birds. And that's kind of why this thing with the cranes started, this bird ritual. I don't know, I guess it was just my way of dealing with things, and I just would make paper crane after paper crane, and pretty soon I started bringing one over to that tree every day. Kind of just in her memory.
Mm-hmm.
And something about doing that made me feel better.
That's beautiful. That's wonderful.
Thank you.
Yeah.
It's I'm sorry.
No, don't be sorry. It's wonderful that you're doing that. I'm sure she's very happy that you're keeping her memory alive. It's sweet.
I like to think it is. And thank you for saying that.
Yeah, of course.
It feels better to talk about this.
Yeah, absolutely. I can't imagine what it would be like keeping that inside for so long. And it's wonderful that you're doing that in her memory.
Something about you just makes me feel so comfortable. I'm just talking to you.
Thank you. I enjoy talking to you as well. You're a wonderful person.
Thank you.
It's really cool to meet someone who I have so much in common with.
Yeah. It is. It's not what I was expecting my day to turn into, but
Definitely not.
I'm welcoming it.
Yeah. It's honestly pretty hard to find people who are like really take an interest in nature and animals and birds. Honestly.
And I can see that you love birds.
I think it's a passion, you know.
It's a really beautiful hobby.
No, for sure. Yeah. I mean, it keeps me busy. Yeah. Yeah. You're cool.
You're cool.
And beautiful. Yeah.
Thank you.
Definitely hope someday I'm fortunate enough to meet someone who I can share a bond with, like you had with your wife that you girlfriend.
I mean, maybe someday it could have been like that. But...
Right. But it's a beautiful story. I I commend you for being able to experience such a passionate exchange with another person. I hope I get to have the same one day.
You will. You're so sweet and kind, and I just met you, and like I already want to tell you everything.
Well, I mean, I don't know. Someday I hope that special someone is at least half as pretty as you are.
Thank you. I mean, she's out there for you.
Maybe
I'm sure.
closer than we think.